We're just about set to go, and you wouldn't believe it just by looking at the field right now and looking at the scene, but gosh, the weather was poor. It did not seem like long ago. Actual hail only fitting. So the Scottish forward gives it back for Arthur Rogers, the team's captain. Nice touch ahead. Here's Ammon. Early on, Ammon off the post! Central Valley dodges a bullet. Ammon has been converting these chances. On the Meadow Gold corner kick, Ramos sends it in. Goes back post off the head. It's loose in the box. Delgado the save, and it's poked away. Adrian Vera plays it back, and it's taken away. Here's Billy King and the cross. Ammon was not there with the left. It's just wide. No, it's in. Northern Colorado strikes first. Hailstorm goal in the 23rd minute. Take another look. It started with Billy King. Ammon, the decoy, pulled off Dabo off his line, and Mitch North couldn't do it himself. Jackson Dietrich, the 26-year-old. He was one of the elite prospects in Europe, and specifically in his home country of Serbia. Here's a chance. It's Lukic. He's shoved from behind. Mitch North cheats up. The ball is loose, and it goes in. Northern Colorado makes it 2-0. Billy King was there. The ball ended up in the right place at the right time, and King puts it in for goal number 2. Lukic was shoved, and then Ammon didn't give up on the plate. North and Ammon collide, and Billy King is right there. Big collision in the box. Billy King wants a whistle, and he'll get it. Can Trevor Ammon convert? Yes, he does! Fans sticking around through the literal hell on the weather delay. Lukic tries to play for Oprah again. Lucky's got some space. Here's the cross, and Trevor Ammon scores again! Northern Colorado makes it 4-0. Take another look. Trevor Ammon. Here's Ozzy Ramos, and a diving save by Delgado. Rebound, and Bijev is stopped again. Lalo Delgado, oh my goodness. Dabo flips fields for Bijev. With the right, Bijev sends it in, and Delgado makes another save. It pinballed in the box, and Lalo Delgado makes the stop. He had 5 goals. Lalo Delgado can't make the save. Bijev gets Fuego on the board. That'll do it. Northern Colorado's home opener, a 4-1 win over Central Valley.